What's up guys, James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to show you my air freshener and what I use. So, I always get asked about it, and it is an Arotags. Now, what is so special about an air freshener? Let's talk about that. So the cool thing about this air freshener, one, it's the state of Texas, so it doesn't get better than that. But the really cool thing about this is it's rechargeable. What that means is once this starts losing its scent, you can take it inside, and I'm going to show you, put it in a bag and throw the scent in the bag, and it soaks it all up, and then we'll disperse it once it's in the vehicle. So far I have had two of these. I've had the state of Texas, and before that, I always keep it in here as well, I had the entire United States, which is pretty sweet, and I still keep it in here and sent this one as well. It works really well, and it's a very good smell, and it lasts a good while. I would say about two weeks that the Jeep will actually smell really good, and the bottle of scent that it comes with, and I'll show you, is a pretty good size, so it's easy to recharge this. So let's show you. So when you open up the box, you get the little ball of scent. You get a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag, and then the actual air freshener. So all you have to do is open up your bag, throw it in there, open up your scent, and drop roughly, what does it say, 15 to 20 drops into the bag. So you just shake it, get to about 20 drops. Pretty easy. And then you seal the bag up. You want it to sit for 24 hours to soak up the scent. So you want to make sure that you actually get the wood to touch the scent. Now normally what I do is I lay it flat like that on a countertop, and that'll help kind of soak up that scent, so that way my Jeep smells really good. And this is just a cool little mod that I've had for a while, and people always ask me about it, so I figured I would go ahead and show y'all and kind of demonstrate why I like it, because it is reusable. I don't have to keep buying new things to make my Jeep smell good. I just have to refill this one, which is awesome. So I'll throw the link to them in the description of the video so you can check them out. It's Arotags. They do more than just these air fresheners. They have a couple different things, so definitely check them out. Well, that's it for today, guys. Just want to show you my air freshener. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit so that way I can put it back in the Jeep. Make sure to check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.